A magnetic slime robot is a soft, self-regenerating robot made of polyvinyl alcohol borax and neodymium magnet. A magnetic field can guide it through narrow spaces, pick up items, and repair circuits. It can be used inside the body to retrieve accidentally swallowed objects or prevent hazardous leaks. Professor Li Zhang from the Chinese University of Hong Kong was one of the co-creators. As magnetic slime robots are still in development, it's challenging to determine their price. It may cost anywhere from a few $100 to several $1,000s, depending on materials and manufacturing complexity. The use of cheaper or more abundant magnet particles, such as iron oxide or nickel, could reduce costs. The robot's safety and biocompatibility may impact its price, as it is toxic to humans and can release neodymium particles into the body. The robot's size, shape, functionality, and market demand and supply can also affect its price. We estimated that a magnetic slime robot could cost between $500 and $5,000. People with visual impairments or compromised vision can benefit from the gadget known as eSight. A camera, screens, sensors, and algorithms are all housed in a pair of technological glasses in front of the user. The camera takes photos, and then the algorithms enhance them. Users can see more details and clarity due to the screens that display the photographs. You can use eSight for various activities, such as reading, watching TV, working, and traveling. In addition to being able to connect wirelessly and receive updates from the cloud, it also includes features like zoom, freeze, color adjustment, and contrast. The latest and advanced model, eSight 4, is sold for 6,150 KBs. However, you can rent it for just $199 per month. Many people with visual impairments can greatly benefit from the liefechanging technology known as eSight. One of these companies is Fluid Reality, which manufactures and sells haptic gloves for augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR, that are high-resolution and wireless. The gloves can mimic a wide range of object characteristics and space-time effects, using arrays of electroosmotic pumps that generate arrays of finger pads that change shape. These gloves can be mass-produced at affordable prices for consumers, as they are wireless, small, and energy efficient. The current price for a pair of Fluid Reality gloves is $1,499. With this purchase, you also gain access to a library of compatible AR and VR applications, along with a 1-year warranty. Oculus Quest, HTC Vive, and Microsoft HoloLens are just a few of the virtual and augmented reality headsets that work with these gloves. You can use them as a standalone device or pair them with your smartphone or tablet. A piece of futuristic technology, the Motorola Bendable concept phone, can change its shape and function according to the user's desires. As an accessory, it can be twisted and coiled around the wrist, and as a stand, it can be adjusted to different viewing angles with its 6.9-inch Full HD Plus display. When folded, the device runs a smaller version of Android, but when laid flat, it runs the full Android experience. The device also features generative artificial intelligence capabilities that allow users to customize their phones with various styles and graphics. Official pricing details are not available because the product is still in the conceptual phase and has not yet hit the shelves. Current prices of foldable phones from Motorola and other brands suggest that the device is likely to be quite expensive, possibly exceeding $1,000. Barilla, which is one of the world's most prominent pasta manufacturers, has implemented a testing system for a sustainable energy supply called DLR HiFlex. This system uses ceramic particles capable of storing and transporting heat to generate energy and heat industrial processes. It harnesses solar energy. The energy can be supplied 24 hours a day by the system, which also helps reduce the amount of consumed fossil fuels. Since DLR HiFlex is a research project sponsored by the European Union's Horizon 2020 program, the product's price is not disclosed to the general public. However, there are estimates indicating that by the year 2025, the cost of concentrated solar power integrated with storage could be as low as 0.06 per kilowatt hour. Sunflower Home Heliostat is a device that has the ability to reflect solar light to a specific location, such as a garden, a roof, or a window. The company responsible for its design and distribution is Water, based in Massachusetts, United States of America. The Sunflower Home Heliostat includes a solar-powered controller that monitors the sun and adjusts the angle of the mirror panels to maintain the concentration of light on the target. The maximum amount of solar light it can redirect is 50,000 lumens, which is approximately equivalent to 50 light bulbs. A variety of applications are possible with the Sunflower Home Heliostat, including illuminating dimly lit rooms, melting ice, drying clothes, and cultivating plants. With an additional cost of $50 for an optional stand, the price is $399. Using a massive hydrogen balloon, the future Space Perspective capsule, also known as the Neptune craft, will transport its passengers to the farthest edge of space. Featuring a bar, a bathroom, reclining seats, plants, and a 360-degree panorama of Earth, the capsule is designed to provide a comfortable and luxurious space travel experience. Up to 8 passengers and 1 pilot can be accommodated in the climate-controlled and pressurized spherical capsule. The capsule will launch from various points around the globe, and the journey will take about 6 hours in total, with 2 of those hours spent floating at an altitude of 20 meters in the stratosphere. Afterward, the capsule will slowly sink into the water, and a ship will come to retrieve it and its passengers. This unique journey will cost $125,000 per passenger, and the inaugural flights are scheduled to take off in the second half of 2024. The futuristic technology that achieves frictionless movement using magnetic levitation is the Lexus Hoverboard. As part of its incredible motion campaign, the luxury vehicle brand Lexus designed it. The hoverboard is stylish, featuring a Lexus emblem mounted on top and a surface made of natural bamboo. Additionally, it has magnetic blocks made of superconductive material cooled using liquid nitrogen. A single track with embedded magnets is required for the operation of the hoverboard. These magnets repel the board and maintain its height. The Lexus hoverboard is still in its prototype phase and cannot be acquired by the general public, as it is designed for use in a specially built park. Regarding the levitating board, the hoverboard will cost somewhere between $10,000 to $20,000, but the price of the magnetic track, which is substantially higher, is not included in this amount. The aim of the MONOCAB project is to develop an innovative transportation solution that can be implemented in rural areas of Germany. An autonomous monorail system, electrically powered with gyroscopic stabilization operating on a single track, is an example of this. Applications are used to place orders for the cars, referred to as monocabs, and they can navigate on the same track in both directions. Various universities, research institutes, and local agencies are providing assistance for the initiative. As the project is still in development, the cost of a monocab has not been established yet. However, the project's website indicates that the goal is to make the monocab affordable and inexpensive for everyone. For people using wheelchairs, this incredible technology represents a significant breakthrough. Converting most manual wheelchairs into powerful electric vehicles is as easy as attaching a few screws. You can travel up to 50 kilometers on a single charge and reach speeds of up to 25 km/h with a 350W brushless hub motor. The intelligent controller allows you to manage speed, direction, and distance, along with a reverse function and cruise control. Battery life, speed, and distance are just a few of the metrics displayed on the LCD screen. Similarly, Gilani Mobility electric handbike, designed for wheelchairs, prioritizes user comfort and ease of use with an adjustable footrest and a foldable handlebar, making it convenient for storage and travel. Your mobility freedom and quality of life will be significantly enhanced. The price is approximately $3,290. The Lunar Cruiser is a pressurized rover capable of driving on the moon. It is crewed by professionals as part of NASA's Artemis program, developed in collaboration with JAXA and Toyota. The rover is expected to make use of fuel cell electric vehicle technology and will have a range of over 10,000 kilometers on the lunar surface. Thanks to this technology, astronauts will be able to travel on the Moon for up to 45 days. The Lunar Cruiser is in the production process, and it is projected to be launched in the second half of the 2020s. There is no publicly available information on the cost of the Lunar Cruiser, but it is estimated to be in the billions of dollars. Motoroid 2, the experimental electric motorcycle, employs cutting-edge robotics and artificial intelligence to forge a new bond between the rider and the machine. Additionally, it can balance itself, identify its owner, and respond to voice commands and gestures. Its unique leaf-shaped structure also adjusts to the rider's position and provides tactile cues designed to be constant companions to the rider. The Motoroid 2 model's concept exemplifies Yamaha's vision for the future of transportation. It is not a production model, so its release date and price are uncertain, but if it comes to market, some estimates place the price at around $10,000. This estimate is based on the cost of comparable electric motorcycles, as well as the anticipated expenses of the sophisticated technologies used. Air One Personal eVTOL. 2 people can ride in the electric multicopter that is the Air One Personal eVTOL. It takes off and lands vertically, featuring a central joystick, 2 tilted wings, and a tilting top cover. Its design is sleek, with a 771 horsepower battery and 8 coaxial propellers propelling it up to 250 km/h. It has an impressive range of 177 kilometers on a single charge and can carry up to 250 kilos of payload, allowing users to take all their luggage and items. Flyby intent technology ensures that the Air One stays within a safe flight range and reduces hazards. The aircraft is also designed for exciting flight dynamics and personal ownership. The pilot just needs to indicate the desired route to the plane, and it will take care of the rest. Customers will be able to purchase the Air One starting from an initial price of $150,000 for the initial production version. Stringbike is a unique bicycle that replaces the more conventional chain and gears. The drive mechanism of a Stringbike is a system of ropes and pulleys. Hungarian engineers worked on this in the 90s, and Stringbike KFT launched it in the market in 2010. Instead of the usual circular sprockets of chain-driven bicycles, Stringbike features swinging arms on both sides. The rear wheel is driven by 2 Dyneema ropes connected to pulleys and cams. Even when the bicycle is stationary or loaded, the technology allows for smooth and quiet gear changes. Additionally, the system offers options for both symmetrical and asymmetrical pedaling, reduces maintenance, and eliminates the need for lubricants. Roads, mountains, cities, and handbikes are just a few of the variants available for Stringbike. Depending on the frame components and extras, the price can range from $1,499 to $4,999. The Verge TS Pro, an electric superbike named Verge TS Pro, generates 139 horsepower and 1,000 Nm of torque thanks to its unique integrated motor in the rear wheel. You can reach a maximum speed of 200 km/h on this motorcycle, and it takes only 3.5 seconds to go from 0 to 60 mph. The battery can provide power for up to 217 miles and has a capacity of 20.2 kWh. You can go from 0 charge to 80% charge in just 35 minutes, thanks to the motorcycle.